In today's video, I'm going to show you how to embed Instagram Reels on your site using Taggbox. First, log into your Taggbox account and go to your dashboard. Next, click Create Feed and select Instagram from the list of platforms. After that, choose the option to collect Reels or connect your Instagram business account, depending on the feed options available. Now enter your Instagram handle, hashtag, or account details and click Create Feed. Taggbox will automatically fetch your Instagram Reels into the gallery. Once the Reels appear, go to the Publish section. Choose your preferred website platform, such as HTML, WordPress, Shopify, Wix, or Squarespace. Then click Generate Code and copy the embed code provided by Taggbox. Finally, paste that code into your website where you want the Instagram Reels feed to appear. And that's it. You've successfully embedded Instagram Reels on your site using Taggbox. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.